5/16, Sunday, February 5th, 2023. I'm back. I want to unbox, so we're going to be doing that. Hopefully we can get through all of this. It's getting dark. Okay, let me see. I should open this one first. I'm gonna open up the Stray Kids one first. This is just the photo book from the fan kit, so I'm just gonna open this just because I like their Christmassy themes. The button here is hurting my stomach. Okay, how do I... I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm not paying attention to this. Oh, I finished painting this thing. Okay, before, after. I used up the whole bottle. Pretty much. I got none left for my fingers, but anyways, look. I can always do the other side a different color, but I took up a whole bottle polish and 2 coats. Looks pretty nice, isn't it? Okay. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna fix the paintbrush one. I want to make sure it's perfect because I only got one shot at taking that photo. Ta-da! It smells like factory. It's got that paper scent. This photo book is so pretty. Hold on, I'll flip through it quickly so you guys can see this. Like, it feels so complete. This is why I have this one. Okay, let me look through. It's gonna be hard to pick a photo here because they're all really nice. Yeah, it's hard to pick one. I bought this for Hyunjin's money shot, but I don't see it in here. The one I showed you guys on my phone. Ah, they're so cute. The Stray Kids don't do cute, but this is really cute. Okay, how was that? Okay. Okay, Victon now. I am worried to open, like, this one, I wanted this, but this one, I don't know whose it is, so I'm worried to open this one. Okay, let's open the main one. I'll go back and document it in my computer after. I can check if everything's there on my phone. Okay. I get it. This is the time version. I don't remember what the other one is, but I like this one, this version better. The CD fell out. The CD's on the inside of the lid here. I like the second track on this album. I forget what it's, Time Chaser. It's not in English on the disc. I like Time Chaser more than Virus. I don't know why I like the B-sides more than the actual title track, but anyway. Here's the inside. Okay. There's an envelope. I'm assuming everything's in here. And the photo book. The money, look at this photo book, all the money shots. Hold on, look at this. Okay, let me look through this. It smells just like the Stray Kids thing. The scent here is stronger, the paper scent. Now it might make me sneeze. Shit. Okay, this one. I'm telling you what my favorite photos are, okay? Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, I can't decide between these two, so we're going with both of these. Okay. Okay, this one. This one. Okay, so the first half of the book is this concept, right? Second half, they did a whole nother thing here, okay? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Guys, like, are you seeing this? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, look at Adrian. Sorry. Here, take a good 5 seconds to look at this. Oh, I like this one too. Oh, this one. It's got the same kind of color as the last one. Yeah, I like Time Chaser. I preferred the previous title track over this one. I can remember the songs, but I can't remember the titles. It's bothering me now. What the fuck? My mom's so loud. Okay. What's in the envelope now? Okay. Okay, I gotta pull it out this way. I'm gonna see everything. Everything's in there. Okay, I like this. Everything's nice and clean on one side, so I could like flip through the book without anything happening. Okay. So when you buy the main albums, they have these puzzle piece things, right? So I'm only gonna have like one piece. I don't know. I'm not collecting these pieces. Apparently this is the third piece. There's 2 other pieces to this one. Okay. It's Subin. It's Subin. Look, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's Subin. It's... Bro. Okay. Photo cards. Oh god. I got Sejun's photo card. Bro, I'm gross. It tells you right on the edge. I'm just looking at the back when they tell you the names. Okay, anyways. We got Sejun and Sungshik. Look at this. Yeah, I'm Sejun Kuris. Every Victon album I open, Sejun. Yo, and I'm really anxious to open this digipack because I don't know whose it's gonna be. Anyways, 2 more photo cards. Everything will be linked in the description. You guys know how this works. I can't believe it. I got Subin stuff. I thought that would never happen. It's a Christmas miracle. Okay. That was this. Let's see if I have everything from here. CD, photo book, photo card. Oh my god, it's so hard to read on my fucking phone. Fucking tiny ass screen. Okay, so this is the time version. The other one's called the free version. I can't believe I got Subin's. Bro, I'm so happy now. Okay, anyways, that's it. Yeah, everything in there. Okay, they have different things. So in this one, the neon photo is in this one, and in the free version, they have key rings. Okay, interesting. Okay, everything looks like it's there. Unless I'm fucking blind. Okay, digipack now. I'm so nervous to open this. I want it to be Hanse's version. Okay, because his looked the best. This is how I'm gonna feel when I open TXTs because I'm not gonna know which member I'm gonna get, but I know it'll be like based off of energy. I'll know. I can't believe I got soup and stuff. Sorry, like my brain's still stuck on that. Okay. I'm so scared to open this. Someone open it for me. Oh. Yeah, what happened?
Type yes.
Huh?
Type yes.
What?
That's what Trevor said, type yes.
What the hell does that mean? What?
Trevor said type yes. I don't know. That's what it looks.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What the fuck? Okay, after that interruption, he said type yes. What the fuck? I'll do it later. Fuck. It's Hansi's version. Thank you, God. Thank you. Oh my God. It's Hansi's version. Okay. I'm happy. Look at it. Look at this. Look. I hate that you can't, like, it's random, but I'm so happy I got his. Oh my gosh. Okay. What popped out of this? Is this the poster? It's just like the other one, but like, this one's like 10 times better. Just saying. God, they're so high. I don't know what the fuck they're on. Anyways, oh my good God. I'm so relieved. Okay, which photo do I like? Okay, hold on. We're gonna go through this. This one. This one. He looks so normal here. It's so strange looking at him like this. Okay, that's PHOTOBOOK. Oh, sorry. You guys are gonna want to see this. Outside, inside, PHOTOBOOK. Okay. Poster. There's 3 cards in there. Okay, I got 2 Hansi and a Subin. There's a Subin card here. Bro. Oh. Okay, are we gonna flip all of them at the same time? Or, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. This is the back. This is the front. Oh, look, Subin's right there. Bro, it's a group card. Did I just dent this? Okay, let me see. Okay, 2 Hansis and then the group card. Okay. Okay. This was the outer sleeve. How did this go back together? Okay. PHOTOBOOK CD, poster, photo cards. It looks like this thing was written for fucking ants, so I can't see how many you're supposed to get. The group card. Yeah, okay, I think I got everything. Okay, what am I doing now? I'm so excited to open the Super Junior and the Kara one. Like, they're both white. These are my favorite groups, so I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna open up the Super Junior one up first. Okay. Everything just slipped out. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. Okay. It's just snowflakes on the cover. Okay. Oh, my legs. Best Christmas album ever. It's so, oh my gosh, I blew all the money on this set. I freaking love it. And it's a good size album too. It's not those like gigantic, massive albums that they produce all the time. Sorry, I'm going through this quickly because I'm technically don't have time. Did I even tell you guys what the time is? It's 5:38. This photo here. Oh, this film looks good. Section of the book where my idol is. Oh, Christ. Okay, just because I'm biased, I like all the photos, but I'll pick the best ones, okay? But this one, I should carry this around with me because if I ever encounter him, I want him to sign like all the photos. And this one, this counts. This is the tree, okay? And then the one beside it, like, these photos here. Look at this. Look at it, look at it. Ah. All the photos. Hang on. This. And this. And then we have the end photo here. Okay, I doubt I'm gonna get his card. His cards are hard to get. Okay, and the back is where the CD is. Okay. My feet hurt because I was wearing heels, so don't mind me if I'm like in pain. Okay, anyways, here's the album. There's an ad in the center there. And the 2 photo cards. I doubt I'm gonna get his card. His cards are so hard to get. Okay, I'm gonna flip them at the same time. You guys are gonna know whose cards these are, but I don't. Just by like reading the back. Oh my god, I did get his card. Yo, what? I did get his card. Look, look, look. You can't tell he's a singer by looking at this card. He looks like he's in the NBA. Bro. Oh, I got his card. That's so unheard of. Okay. Hey, is that everything in this album? Photo book. CD. Photo cards. Is there 5 different versions of this album? What the hell? It says poster, you're supposed to get 1 out of 4. Did I not get a poster in this, or am I blind? Or is it hidden somewhere? No, I think that's it. I didn't pay for no poster. Sorry, the slip cover keeps rising up every time I open it. That's why I keep pushing it down. Okay. And then, now I'm gonna open cards. Oh my goodness. I don't know who I'm gonna get. My bias is Nicole and Gyuri, so let's see who we get. I'm so glad they came back. My favorite girl group ever. Everything sits on top. Look at it. I'm gonna have to read through this because I don't know what half these things are. Oh, there's a CD in the back. It would have been nice if they did an album with all of their songs on there. You know what I mean? Like all the title tracks. It would have been nice. Okay, what are we doing first? Oh my god, just the front photo. Look at it. Good, there's no blank pages. I really hate blank pages. I think it's Nicole. Okay. What is this photo? What the heck? This is so unnecessary. It's still better than a blank page, but still. The photo card was right there, and it's Nicole's card. Bro, look, I'm on a lucky streak now. What's going on? Look, her card's right there. I got Nicole's card. Hey! What is happening? There's another card here, look. This one's Youngji's card, right? Let me get a good look. I'm so blind. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is Youngji's card, no? Oh, look at this photo. The black really pops on the orange. Okay, that was the first half. Second half's gonna be this whole different photo shoot. I kind of like that they're doing this. Oh my gosh, I love Nicole's shoes. Look at her shoes. Look at her shoes. Oh, these photos are cute too. Look at them. Oh, these photos are really cute. Sorry, I'm like showing you the entire book. Sorry. Go buy the album. Oh my goodness. My favorite girl group ever. Yeah. I'm assuming this is for this. I think you have to fit this in here, no? Or am I wrong? No, the eyepiece. Okay, hold on. This piece I think you have to stick in there. Look, it's Gyuri. It's Gyuri's eyes. Again, this is really weird, right? They give you like certain body parts, but like usually it's hands. Now we have eyes here. So this is Gyuri's eyes. It's supposed to go here. I'm assuming because this is where the slots fit together like this. Right? I have really good luck today. What the hell? I hope I didn't jinx that. Okay, what is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. This is the track list. This feels really good. It's not paper. It's like photo texture. They look so good. I love this. Oh. And whatever the heck this is, I'm assuming a bookmark or something. I don't know what this is. I don't think it's a scent paper or anything because I don't smell any scent coming from it. Okay, let's see if that's everything for this one. CD, photo book, 4-cut photo, message card. Oh yeah, her message is on the back of her eyes. Lyric accordion card, photo cards. These are the photo cards. And then it says fragrance paper, but I don't smell nothing on it. What the hell? It looked like that. I could tell. Maybe it's a really, really light scent. I'm gonna have to open this from the plastic for me to smell this. Or it's just really, really, you know, the scent's gone now, but that's strange. Anyways. Whatever the scent is, I like it because it's not giving me a headache. It's gone already. Okay, that's that. I can finally open up the ATEEZ one now. So anyways, that's Kara. Oh, okay. ATEEZ now. I'm so excited to open this. You don't understand. I'm so excited. You think we'll get a... Okay, every time I open these ATEEZ albums, I still haven't gotten a song card. You think we can get one now? Oh, I have no idea. Please, please let it be Sangwa or San or somebody, please. As long as it's not Yoonho or like Yosang, I don't have a problem, okay? Because if I get Woo Young's card, I can trade it, right? Because I know a lot of people like him. Maybe someone will have my card. Yeah, I'll open this. You guys see that? Obviously, I like the title track. Obviously. Okay, it slips off. I usually like color, but because of the way this one's set up, I really, really like this one. Okay. This is the bookmark. It's weird for me to look at this because the feathers are always back there, right? Oh my god, I don't want to see the photo card yet. Okay, let's see. There's a CD. Oh, does this match my nails? Okay, look at it. Poster? I'm assuming. Yeah, look at them. Oh, good god, look at it, look at it. They all look really, really good. Like the stylist styled each of them really well. The scarecrow in the back though. Did you guys notice this? Yo, I want to hang this one on the wall. Okay, anyhow. Stickers. And they're all grayscale, monotone color. Monochromatic, sorry, color. Okay. See if I can make use of that, and then the photo book. And whatever's sleeping in the photo book. There's stuff poking out of here. There's so many cards. What the hell? Okay. There's the book. Okay, I can't flip through it because stuff is gonna fly out. I don't know what else is in here. It's all scenes from the music video, and I really like this. I really, really like this. Okay, hold on. Let's take a minute to appreciate Mingy for a second. Hang on, let me find a good photo. Let's go with the one. Okay, let's go with the one here. Oh my gosh, look at Woo Young's photo. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go back and see which sign photo I like. Oh dear God. Okay, I think this one. I don't know, from this angle, San looks so good. Anyhow, let's keep going through this. Look at this. This is giving me mood board vibes. I freaking love this. There's no blank pages. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, wait, I'm appreciating the sign appreciation for a second. Then we got Mingy there. And then we got Woo Young. Okay. Oh, and Jung Ho. Look at him. Okay. This is Mingy's money shot photo. Look at this. His nails look prettier than mine. I don't know, the photo just pops. His hands, his hair, everything. His eyes. His family photo at the end. What the heck? Okay, look at this. Everything's in English here. And then everything's in Korean here. That's not helpful at all. It should have been the other way around. Oh, the stylist, the hair, and the makeup people are here. Okay, I'm gonna go stalk them in 2 seconds. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna look at this later. Okay, that was the photo book. This ad was in there. Here, you guys use this because, or maybe should I not show you guys? This is for the game. I don't know if I want to play this. I don't remember if I showed you guys this already. For the other albums, because they're in every single album. There's a code here. I don't know for what. You guys can use this here. Okay, there's 3 photo cards. Bro, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, I got 3 chances here of getting a Sangwa card. Okay. You see it? You see it? Okay, I'm gonna flip them all. 3 chances. Please let Sangwa be here. Come on. Sangwa's card's there. Sangwa's card's there. Oh my god, I got Sangwa San and Woo Young. Bro! Yo, we're on a roll. And these cards are really cute. Oh my god, look, I got a Sangwa card, bro. Like San's card there. Okay, I'm gonna read with this one. This is for sure the one I'm gonna read with. I'm gonna read with those 2. I swear everybody has this Woo Young card. Look at it. Oh my god, I can't believe that happened. I haven't seen anyone pull Sangwa's card yet. Oh my gosh, I'm on a roll. All the cards I didn't think I would pull, I'm pulling. Oh my god. How is this gonna go back on? Okay. I can't believe that happened. I can't believe it. Is this real life? Someone pinch me. Don't pinch me too hard to bruise me though. Okay, let's see. Photo book, bookmark, CD, photo cards, stickers. That's it. Okay, everything's there. Wow. Okay. Wow, I didn't expect this unboxing to be so exciting. Oh my dear god. I can't believe I'm not done unboxing things. I thought I'd be done before.